I'm Jeff with Novaspace, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about GPS and how it actually gets your location here on Earth. GPS plays a huge role in many aspects of our lives, a lot of which you may not even realize. So having an understanding of this core space technology will make you a more well-rounded space professional. Today, I'll be using a small section of our Space Mission Areas and Capabilities course to help explain how GPS gets our location here on Earth. So we will go ahead and jump into this. The core concept of how GPS works as a constellation revolves around the concept of trilateration. And basically, what that means is that you're using three satellites in the GPS constellation to help determine your location here on Earth. And you can see in this diagram here that when you get the intersection points of three different spheres of the respective GPS satellites, you're provided with two locations. Now, one of those locations is rejected automatically by the GPS architecture because that's located up in space, and it knows obviously that's not where you're located here on Earth. So with that location rejected, it therefore knows that that second point, that second intersection of these three spheres is the GPS receiver location. Now, based on that explanation, you may think, okay, cool. So I just need three different GPS satellites to give me my location on Earth. And that's not the case. So there's actually something called clock bias. And while conceptually you may only need three satellites to provide that location, you do need that fourth satellite to provide the clock correction necessary to give you an accurate location on Earth. You can see here in this text on the screen that if there's any error in this timing, it can result in extremely large errors of location accuracy on the ground. So it's important to determine accurate timing when you're determining your location here on Earth. And that's done using the extremely precise atomic clocks that are on board every single GPS satellite. So now that you know conceptually how your location is determined using GPS, let's talk about the GPS missions. So there's three primary missions associated with the GPS constellation specifically, and those are position and navigation, timing, and nuclear detection. And interestingly enough, the nuclear detection mission of GPS may very well be the reason why we have GPS today. So, as the program was being pitched to Congress, not many people saw the validity of having a space based navigation system. Why don't we just use maps? So the Department of Defense included a nuclear detection payload on the GPS satellites to essentially sell it to Congress. And what we ended up with is perhaps one of the most relied upon space technologies in our modern world today. If you would like to learn more about GPS and actually build a space system that's related to GPS, please visit novaspaceinc.com to check out our courseware. You can sign up for individual courses, and you can also sign up for a NovaSpace membership, which gives you access to a large catalog of courses for $49 a month. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.